Hey, Dan here. Today we're looking at a 2010 Nissan Sentra that's got quite a bit of an exhaust noise. Customer wasn't sure where it was coming from. We went ahead and lifted the vehicle up. This one was kind of obvious. The tailpipe had rusted through and was kind of just hanging down. We informed the customer that instead of having to replace that entire piece of pipe, we have the capability of splicing in a piece of pipe to help save some money and quiet the vehicle down. They said they wanted to go ahead and do that. We went ahead and got some pipe, measured it up, slid it in between the two pipes, and we were able to weld it in all with little to no effort. So if you have a vehicle that's got a loud exhaust, you're not sure where it's coming from or why it's so loud, we do offer free inspections here. Feel free to give us a call. We'd love to look at it for you and let you know where you're at. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people can get this information.